Why do these ethical standards matter? History is full of examples where poor ethical decisions led to multi-million-dollar losses, legal battles, and reputational damage for companies. Ethical failures have cost businesses billions and have led to the downfall of even the biggest brands. Following a strong code of ethics not only protects your career but also ensures that your projects create long-term value and trust in the industry. So, whether you're a new project manager or a seasoned professional, understanding responsibility, respect, fairness, and honesty is the key to becoming a trusted leader in project management. Up next, we'll break down each of these 4 core values in detail and explain how they impact your role as a project manager. Stay tuned. Responsibility, owning your actions and decisions. As a project manager, you carry a huge responsibility, not just for the project itself, but for your team, stakeholders, finances, and company reputation. The success or failure of a project often depends on the decisions you make and the actions you take. Responsibility is about taking ownership, staying accountable, and ensuring that your work meets the highest ethical standards. What does responsibility mean in project management? Making decisions that prioritize business success and ethical integrity. Ensuring that projects align with laws, regulations, and company policies. Acknowledging mistakes, correcting them, and learning from failures. Now, let's break this down further into aspirational and mandatory standards of responsibility. Aspirational standards for responsibility. Aspirational standards are the ethical benchmarks that every project manager should strive to achieve in their professional conduct. Aspirational responsibilities include making decisions that serve the best interests of society, public safety, and the environment. Accepting only those assignments that match your skills, qualifications, and experience. Fulfilling commitments, do what you say you will do. Acknowledging and correcting mistakes immediately, taking full accountability for errors. Ensuring transparency and fairness in all project dealings. Great project managers don't just do what is required, they go the extra mile to ensure their work benefits society, protects people, and upholds ethical standards. A responsible project manager is one who takes action, not just to complete a project, but to make a positive impact. Mandatory standards for responsibility. Unlike aspirational standards, mandatory standards are firm rules that every project manager must follow to maintain professional credibility and legal compliance. Mandatory responsibilities include following all applicable laws, regulations, and company policies. Reporting any unethical or illegal conduct immediately. Ensuring confidentiality and protecting sensitive project data. Not engaging in conflicts of interest or misuse of company resources. Breaking these mandatory standards doesn't just harm a project, it can lead to legal consequences, loss of professional credibility, and even termination from your role. In short, own your work, take accountability, and never compromise on ethics.